This is I Am Love, and it's my oil creation with Frey Skincare. I can't wait to share a little bit more about it. Oils are very rich and help regulate our own oil production in the skin, as well as seal in hydration. You take 2 drops, that's all you need. It's very rich. There's argan oil, hemp oil, olive oil, and then the rose and ylang ylang make it smell so good. I rub my hands together, take a deep breath in, and a slow breath out. Just completely relaxing the face, and I'm gonna apply with my fingers. You know, and it's like moments like this where you get to be with yourself for a few moments. They can be super powerful and very meaningful, and set the intention for what it is you want your day to look like, what energy you want to carry with you. That's the intention behind I Am Love. So it goes deeper than the skin. If you have any questions, let us know. I'm so happy, so excited for you to try I Am Love. See you later.